Graph the inequality in the coordinate plane. Here we have a simple inequality, x less than -5, and we're being asked to graph it in an xy plane. All right. Now this is different than graphing, a line that's in the form, y equals mx plus b, or a line that has two variables, right? I mean, this is just x. So how do I graph that in an xy coordinate plane? Well, it's actually really, really easy. You see, this is my x-axis right here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find x equals -5. All right, right there, x is equal to -5. However, this is also -5, and here x is equal to -5, and here, and here, and here. All of these points have the same x value, don't they? The y values are changing, but the x values are not changing. So if we're going to graph solutions to the line x less than -5, we're going to need to make sure that points that are solutions are, well, less than -5. So I don't want to include this line. I would only want, I guess, points on the left-hand side of it, because over here is where we continue in our negative direction, -6, -7, 9, -8. All of these points have x values that are less than -5. So when it comes to graphing this, obviously you wouldn't need to put this many tick marks. You would just need 2 to draw a line. But I'm going to go ahead and put a vertical line at -5, and I'm going to turn that line into a dashed line, because remember, this is just a less than symbol. It's not less than or equal to. And I'm going to use the shade icon and shade the left-hand side. And if you want to, you could go back and you could erase all these extra X marks. Oops, I just erased the one that it was pinned to. But you don't have to erase all these little things in the Alex program, okay? So basically, this would be the answer. We have a dashed line at -5, and we're shading all of the points that have X values less than -5. So when I press check, you'll see that I got the answer correct.